How to turn on ghost mode in Snapchat. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. The location tracking feature on Snapchat is great for staying in touch with friends and family. Snapchat location tracking lets you check in places you want to share. It also lets people monitor where you're at, use Snapchat's location based filters, and more. However, you might not always want to share your location in Snapchat, and if that is the case, you can turn on the ghost mode in Snapchat to avoid that. For that, you first want to open the Snapchat app on your device. If you don't have this app, you can head over to Play Store or App Store to get it. Once you open it, make sure to log into your account. Now, at the bottom of your home screen, tap on the first option of location pin. From here, you can check out your current location. Tap on the gear icon at the top right corner to open up these settings. As you can see, your current active location is visible to your friends. If you want to enable the ghost mode, then toggle the option of ghost mode. If you enable this, your friends won't be able to see your location. Here, you can select the time frame. You can select 3 hours, 24 hours, or until turned off. Tap on the option of until turned off, and what this will do is until and unless you turn off the ghost mode, your location will not be visible to your friends. If you ever change your mind, then follow the same steps and head over to settings, then toggle this option off. And this is how you can turn on ghost mode in Snapchat. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do let us know on the comment section. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.